Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin because Bitcoin will indicate what the market is doing, guys. And let's take a look at what's going on here. So we obviously had this big support of 6k, we fell down, hit the 3k mark, 3.5k, then a little bounce, basically to almost the 21 EMA here, and then well, what I consider now is maybe we're making some kind of double bottom before we could perhaps move back up. However, keep in mind that this might not be done dropping yet, right? So you also need to keep that in mind. But we'll just have to see, guys. Just stay patient in the market, that's for sure. And wait for signals for an uptrend if you want to go long on it. If you shorted, well, you made some pretty good money, right? It's that simple. So now this is the daily, right? If we zoom in just a little bit, let's take a look at the 12-hour. You can see it definitely better here that we are making some kind of double bottom. I don't need to have that count anymore. So yeah, we are making some kind of double bottom here, but we don't know. We need to confirm that we go up, right? So yeah, this is making some kind of double bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe, but We'll have to see. And if we zoom in some more on the 6-hour, you can also see it here. If this could be some kind of double bottom. We could also simply go lower. Okay, that's the 6-hour, 4 hours showing the same thing. The 1 hour is obviously very bearish, right? If it goes lower than this candle right here, that'd be very bearish, guys. We definitely don't want to see that. Then, because if you look here, let's just place a line, right? Let's place a line right here at the bottom, right there. You can see it basically confirms this bottom here, right? So if we can hold that, that'd be great. But we could also fall all the way down to like where this wick is, okay? And perhaps even lower. So just keep that in mind when you are, looking at things. So, are we going to bounce here? Well, no one knows. I wouldn't just try to guess. So, if we can get rid of this line again, right? Obviously. But, so let's take a look at like a smaller time frame. 30-minute is obviously down, right? 15-minute is down, super down. The 5-minute is still down, right? So the 5-minute is the first chart where you will see some kind of change. If you see a change that's bullish, well, that's great because that means you will most likely go up. But the 5-minute is where it will start. Then the 15-minute, etc. Right? So we just simply need to wait, guys. Just be patient. If you are shorting, great, right? I do want to point some things out. So if you took your Fibonacci from this swing low to swing high, you went to the 0.5, shorted at the 0.5, boom. Okay, you're in the money. It's that simple. Okay, and over here it was the 618. So these things do work, guys, but you need to be with the trend if you are using the fib right now. So if you would have used, for example, the fib on, well, going long, and you would also, well, it didn't hit your 618, so would you have gone long just for this little bump? Maybe, right? But if you are using the fib, then yeah, for the shorts they work very well at the moment. For the longs, not so much. Okay, so just keep that in mind as well. And so we are simply waiting for the first signs of a potential reversal, because like I said, guys, if you zoom out on the daily, this is obviously not tested yet, right? If I place a line just at around just this area here, we have not tested this area at all, guys. All right, so we need to test this area before it goes just mentally further down, right? Whether we go first further down, still we will test this area again to test if this is resistance, and it will most likely be huge resistance. Okay, so when we get close to this area, it's time to either sell some or maybe go short, etc. Right? So that's basically what I'm looking at. Okay, so just wait patiently for now. wait patiently, and then make a move. All right, 5 minute will first show you. I mean, if you want to really play the 1 minute, be my guest. I'm not, but I'll wait patiently for the 5 minute. When the 5 minute shows me a nice up move, I will go back in Bitcoin. And right now, guys, I'm mostly in true US dollar. It's like US dollar tether, but you know, a little different. It's whatever though. It's kind of the same thing. And then so it's just a stable coin, right? And from there, you just go back in, make some profit, and well, you will sell when it goes back bearish. I do expect us to go further bearish for a while. All right, I don't expect us to go bullish anytime soon. Alright guys, so that's just a quick update I have for you on Bitcoin. Something happened so I could make a video. You know, even though it's not for the good, guys, it's definitely a bearish sign. But we'll have to see what happens, right? As for the RSI, it's oversold on basically all time frames once again. So yeah, that is where we're at, right? Daily is nearly even oversold again. So yeah, that's where we're at, guys. Wait for the 5 minutes to show you some kind of bullish reaction. Okay, and that's that. So also, guys, I have a Patreon page, which is patreon.com/Pygoz. If you want to become a Patreon yourself, check it out. Check which tier fits you and become a Patreon. You can then PM me on both Telegram and Discord, and of course you can PM me on Patreon itself, and I'll get back to you with the benefits. All right, that's that. Also, join up with the CryptoPygoz blog, where you can ask me any questions, can ask other people questions. And it's just a great chat box to be in, right? Let's see what's going on here. So, nothing much happened here, honestly. We had some updates on longs and shorts, and that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, and of course, you should check out this video on the new Binance DEX. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait for that to be out and use it, alright? Because I like decentralized exchanges, and especially if it's from a big company like Binance. That's pretty awesome. So yeah, I'm waiting to see how that one will thrive, right? I think it will be the #1 DEX out there, just like Binance is the #1 exchange out there for us to trade on, right? So yeah, just can't wait for that. Also, guys, join up with the CryptoPygoz feed, where I post all my videos, post about upcoming ICOs, etc. But at the moment, guys, just don't expect any ICOs from me, because it's that simple, right? If we are bearish, ICOs will just make you no gains but only losses. So don't get into any ICOs at the moment, guys. It's just bad. All right, don't do it. All right. So that's that, guys. Also, follow me on Twitter, which is twitter.com/Pygoz. And follow me on Twitch, which is twitch.tv/Pygoz. Both telegrams will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button. And if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.